not cut from here, do not cut from here, do not, no, do not cut. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of GardenArcX. So in this video I'm just going to take you through quickly in my small rooftop pineapple garden. So my mom was wanted to start this pineapple growing thing, and we just laughed at because it's usually not happening in the rooftop, but I would like to share that how we made that in the rooftop. Eventually you can see in this plant, this is very small. We are just growing in a little pot. This pot even does not have a lot of soil at all, but you'll just find very tiny little pineapple is there. Is kind of 4 inches, it's not more than that, and there is a little pineapple plant also there. Very smalls are there. When we started getting the benefits of pineapple plant, when they started getting this fruit, we wanted to try more pineapple plant, and here also we have added another pot, and eventually this one, if you can see, this is like more than 5 inches. That's really cool. And this one, oh my god, this is very much bigger than, I think this is 6 inches maybe. Yeah, so if I wanted to take you a little bit closer of that, this is really amazing. If you wanted to start growing, if you have really like if your rooftop is catching a lot of direct sunlight, then this would be a great option and opportunity to start at your rooftop. So I just wanted to show this one, and there is another one, is a bigger one. There is maybe a little dark, but I just wanted to let me take you a little bit closer of that. Just wanted to. So this is my little tiny sitting position. I just wanted to take a little. So this pineapple plant was our first plant that we had maybe twice in last season, and trust me, that fruit was really so sweet, and it was very fresh. In the market, what we have is with the chemical medicine, maybe formalin, this kind of stuff, but this is very much fresh and healthy fruit that you can start growing in your rooftop. And guys, I just want to tell you that if you really wanted to start, just you do not need to nothing, just you buy a pineapple from the market. And the trick is, once you are buying that and once you are cutting that pineapple, just cut from this side, just to keep on the top portion. So this will only help you to grow. So this portion, once you're cutting, do not cut from here, do not cut from here, do not, no, don't cut from here, cut from a little bit bottom of that side. So this will be helping to grow easily and faster. And guys, this is very much, I mean, good for direct sunlight. If you have a little spot in your garden where the direct sunlight is really falling, so you can start that one. So yeah, if you have any sort of question, work queries, just let me know in my video comment. I'll be happy to get back to you. So till then, thank you so much for watching, guys.